Quailridge 39 ASL, and it's a really cool trailer. It's tan with tan package. It's a double loft. We'll head on inside and check it out. Double loft, extended dormer. It's got about every feature you could want on a trailer. Starting out with the fireplace, and that's a cool fireplace. I got it turned on. There's the entertainment center. You can mount a TV on the wall. Has a 5-burner range. Stainless appliances, convection microwave, stainless dishwasher. You have a sectional pit group with the sleeper sofa. Ceiling fan overhead. Whoops. Now why did you flip like that? That was my GoPro, not me. Nice big half loft. Let's go on up there and check it out. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner to keep the kids or adults cool. It's got an entertainment center. It's got its own closet. Extends roughly half of the trailer. There's mini blinds on every window that opens. Stool seating at the bar. You've got your charging stations on every Quailridge. The cabinets, self-closing hinges, adjustable shelving you can see there. Ball bearing, full extension drawer guides. That's a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Check this fridge out. Now that's a cool one. Samsung double door fridge with the freezer on the bottom. You got a hall closet, which you could plumb it for a washer dryer if you wanted to. Right now it's a hall closet. You got a hall pantry. Lots of storage there for your canned goods. Prop station over here. Let's go check out the bathroom. Pretty cool bathroom. It's a shower, corner vanity, got a window, and what a lot of people are looking for is the low threshold. So it's got a small threshold to step over, not the giant tub to step into. Okay, so last but not least, let's go check out the bedroom. This has a lift bed. There's storage under the bed. There's end tables, built-in nightstands with outlets. Comes with one lamp. I don't know why the lamp's not over here, but at any rate, comes with the lamp. There's the drawers and doors. This is the newest 2020 Quailridge wardrobe. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors. That's a lot of storage for the bedroom. You got storage on both sides here, overhead cabinets and nightstands. Okay, well, enough of the bedroom. You got vinyl flooring, or I should say PVC flooring, because it's not vinyl, it's PVC flooring. It looks like ceramic tile, but it's not. It's PVC flooring. So anyhow, this is unit number 12084, and it retails for low 70s. Let me make sure I give you the number right. It is definitely 12084. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Take one last look around here. Very nice trailer. We're going to be going through all my inventory today. We got 10 2020s in. So this is 1 of 10. Have a great day. If you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089.